Not really scared. It's intimidating when you're not expecting to see a Rottweiler the size of as high as this table.
It's like, whoa. What are you cooking?
I don't know yet. She said, "Do I need the sign?" I was like, "No, you're fine."
Did you get out the kitchen, please? Get out the kitchen, Miss Sicky Poo. Miss Sicky Poo. I've managed to clean up a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's clean. It's tidy. So I got a new package. This came already wrapped. What are you doing?
Making lotion.
Who?
Well, I'm not making lotion.
Is that for your teacher?
Yeah.
Girl,
I don't have any more lotion.
don't no teacher want no used leftover lotion that you done find?
Look, they'll see.
I'm pretty sure a teacher does not want that.
Yeah.
Why would you want that?
Then would you like it?
No, I don't want it.
Then would you like it? No, I'm trying. Do you have any more apples? Guys, you hear that? Mommy's gonna slap me and Daddy if we take her right down. Ring a bell. No, Mommy, please.
What's up? What's up? What's wrong? Where are you going?
Mommy?
Yes?
Why'd you say at least? Like we should.
Not so, well, at least we're on the schedule. Why?
Daddy! Big fluffy man thingy. Wait, what? Whoever calls him big fluffy man thingy.
At dinner time,
Can we take your radon?
Take my radon.
Can you get one of your radon? Can I get one of your radon and give it to Miss Amazon? Oh,
You want to take one of my radon and give it to your teacher?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go find a radon so you can give it to your teacher.
Okay.
Let's see which radon mug we can give to her teacher.
There's hotness. There's friend.
There's a friend. Crazy. Mrs. Base. This is a Mr.
There's Share.
Share.
Believe.
There's Wish. There's Thankful. There's Hugs.
Mrs. for Miss Parmesan.
There's Coffee. Can't give away my Mrs. That's my only Mrs.
No, it's not.
There's Boss.
There's Thankful. There's Coffee. There's Hope.
Let's see what we have in here. We have another Mr. We have Dad. Latte.
Latte.
We have Blessed back there. What is this guy? What is this guy? We have Create. I'm not willing to part with Create. No. Let's see. What's back here? We got Coco. Can't part with Coco. We have Dream.
You know, we still have more up there.
Alright, let's look up in the cupboards. Alright, let's see. Brilliant. You want to give her Brilliant?
Sure.
I'm not a fan of Brilliant. Yeah. That's Brilliant. Could give her Brilliant.
Okay.
Would you like to give her Brilliant?
Yes! Brilliant.
So what are you going to put in it?
Huh?
That's it?
That's it?
What are you putting in it?
Nothing.
Okay. Well,
Actually, hand sanitizer.
Okay.
Not like poured in.
What's the matter with you, my sweet sicky boo? She does not feel well.
You should give her some of the chocolate in the freezer.
The chocolate in the freezer?
You put her in the cup.
What's the matter? What? Come on. Come on. Let's go back. Go sit. Come. What's up, guys? My name is Maddie. I'm cranky. I need a nap.
I need a bag.
A bag for what?
No. December.
My name is Maddie. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Guess who this is?
Guess who this is? What is that?
Cilantro, parsley, onions, tomatoes, lemon, garlic.
Ooh, it smells good. He's the chef today. What are you wearing?
Green peppers, cilantro and shorts.
You tell the guys what you're cooking.
I don't know yet.
How you not know?
Cause I just put stuff in the pot
And go.
whatever.
What are you sauteing up there?
I'm not sauteing
What is that?
lentils.
Oh, what is this?
Just a whole bunch of vegetables.
Okay, so what's going with it?
I don't know yet.
At what point are you going to know what we're having for dinner?
When you come in the kitchen to help.
Very funny. Roberto, I love you.
Mommy! Mommy!
Yes, honey.
I got 5.
You who?
I got 5.
Guys, look. It's officially
I got 5.
4 days till Christmas.
I got 5.
No, you were just sick. You can't go outside. Look at me. Dude, do you want to be sick again? You don't want to go to school tomorrow and make your gingerbread house? Huh? You can't go outside. You were just sick. That's pneumonia. That's asking for pneumonia. Back to the chef. What are you putting in there now?
Just a little olive.
Oh.
Just got some scallions, some black pepper, spices. No salt.
But anyways, guys, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.